Got a 2003 Lexus LX470 with a coolant leak. The water pump's leaking all the way down. And I'm going to start tearing this apart. Get this water pump timing belt off of here so we can fix this coolant leak. Now that I got this fan shroud and the belt out of the way, I've got to unbolt and move this power steering pump, the alternator, the tensioner, the crankshaft pulley, this pulley bracket, and these two covers, these two black covers, and then I'll be able to pull the belt off. I pulled this thermostat housing off. Looks like it's been leaking also, but somebody put silicone around this O-ring and used the wrong hose clamp. So I got everything off but the timing belt, and you can definitely see this water pump is leaking. This timing belt looks kind of old too. So there we go. Now I'm just going to pull this water pump off and get it ready for the new one. Got a new water pump on. Just got to put the timing belt on and get this baby back together. So I got this belt on. Got these timing marks. Somebody put the paint on there. I didn't. I don't ever use the paint. These two little marks right here. Make sure they're lined up. And then down here, that dot and that white line and the other big dot between the two little white lines. Tensioner's in, ready to go back together. Got it back together, got it running.